Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we do not have a new lesson for today. Today we are going to be doing our last part of our lesson for 7.2, fractions, decimals, and percents. The only thing that you need to accomplish today is this one IXL. It is in 6th grade, S.2. It is convert between percents and fractions. So I wanted to do a couple examples with you here as a tutorial video to guide you along and make sure that you find success when completing this. So my first question says, how do you write 1/2 as a percent? Well, we got a couple different ways that we can do this here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to follow my triangle from our notes. And if I'm following my triangle, the first thing I do is I take a fraction and I turn it into a decimal by dividing. So I'm going to do 1 divided by 2, and I get 0.5. Now, if I continue to follow my arrows on my triangle, the next thing I have is a decimal into a percent, and that is just multiplying my number by 100. So 0.5 times 100 is 50%. So 1/2 is the same as 50%. Don't forget, you could have also used equivalent fractions here. All right, so I'm trying to plug in my answer, but it's not letting me. So let's see here. There we go. So I got 50. Don't forget the percent symbol. Percent. All right, let's do another one here. 63% as a decimal. Now, I've got a couple ways that I could do this. If you remember, the first thing that we could do is we continue to follow those arrows, and the arrow from percent to fraction is just taking my percent and putting it over 100. And then from fraction to decimal is just a division problem. So I could do 63 divided by 100, and I get 0.63. Now, we did have a shortcut to change a percent into a decimal, was just a division problem. 63 divided by 100, which we already did. It's right there. So I'm just skipping a step if I do the shortcut. So 63% is the same as 0.63. I don't know why it doesn't let me type this in. Here we go. All right, I'm going to do one more with you here. Oops. All right, last one, and then I'm going to let you go ahead and get your work done. 0.91 as a percentage, perfect. If I follow my steps from yesterday, I just take my decimal and I multiply by 100. So 0.91 times 100 is 91%. And don't forget to put your percent symbol when you are typing in your answer. If I just type in 91, that is way different than 91%. It's not even close. So I need to have that percent symbol for this to be correct. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for me. Hopefully this helps you along the way on making sure that you get to a SMART score of 70 on this IXL. Do not forget, if you get to 80, you get a half a point of extra credit, and if you get to 90, you get a full point of extra credit. As always, make sure to message me on Schoology if you need anything. Bye.